Crypto Richie here hanging out, and boy, I am a degen. Discovered Moonturtlez a couple days ago. I wasn't able to get into the free, the mint, but anyway, I just picked one up now. I actually got 3 of them. They remind me of Moonbirds a lot, and I do have some Moonbirds, so I figured why not. Let's check out the analytics here. They are selling pretty fast. They are at about 0.075 right now. You can get them for like about $80, give or take, 80 to 90 bucks. They're trending in all categories on OpenSea. They're not at the top yet. They're not at the top 5 yet. Let's just double check the rankings here quickly. Oops, something went wrong. 1 second, guys. Let's check the rankings. We got Moon Runners that we just got out of the trade. I closed out 3 of these things earlier today. Sold some yesterday. Made a pretty good profit there. We got Moonturtlez at number 8. I was looking at this morning at 0.03. I got busy, distracted, did a couple things, came back. 5 hours later, here we are at double the price. So I basically aped in and I got 3 of them. So we look at Moonturtlez here on OpenSea. And again, I'll have the links down below in the video description. If you like these videos, guys, comment. Let me know how you like these videos. And also, let me know if you're getting some of these, if you got any, what you think they're going to pump to. I think these things could go to probably 0.3, 0.4, maybe a half of Ethereum. So that's pretty good. That's almost 10x from here. But we will see. We will see how the next few days goes and plays out. If we take a look at the site, it kind of looks like Moonbirds. Basically, it's doing the same thing. You know, no roadmap, same as Goblin Town. As soon as Goblin Town came out with the no roadmap, no CCO, instant reveal, 5% reserved for the team, community driven, no Discord, no nothing, just Twitter. We'll see. And, you know, you got to be careful because a lot of this looks copy and paste. You know, this looks like Moonrunners. You know, Moonrunners basically has the same exact text. So you got to get into this, but be careful. You know what I mean? The idea is to be in and out early. The faster you can get into these things, and when you feel like you got enough profit, get out, because these are not long-term. I do not believe these are long-term. Moonbirds, they have a real team in back of it. You can see, you know, Kevin Rose in the back. You know, the team is real. Here, we don't know if the teams are real or not. You know, we don't know. This could just be copy and paste, quick pump and dump. You know, so the idea is to get in and get out in a couple of days, make your, you know, half Ethereum profit, whatever it is, and just move on to the next big thing. We take a look. We got 3,500 followers, a little bit more than not Moonrunners, but Moon. I just got into another one today. What was it? Not Moonrunners. God, I can't even keep up with these things anymore. Monkey Runners. So we got into this project as well. We have another video that's out, so check the YouTube channel. We have another video specifically on Monk Runners because I got a couple of these also. And I just got 3 Moonturtlez. Okay. If we look on Twitter, people are getting excited. We got 3,500 followers. Not bad. I would like to see more. But we got some big guys following, big NFT guys following. Trip McNeely, I know this guy. I've seen him around. He's in a bunch of NFT projects. To the Moon, 5 minutes ago. They're pretty active. I think we got Moonbirds also. Moonbird guys like me getting in. What can I say? Fear of missing out. This guy got a rare one. These guys got them. Like this is you know, I think it's gonna pump. Check out my Moonturtle. People are getting in. I think, you know, Moonbirds was a very, very successful project. And I think these guys are trying to backpack on top, be a derivative. Everyone catching COVID, but today I got some FOMO on Moonturtlez. I like it. I like the art is not bad. You know, it's basically a moonbird, but a turtle. You know, looks pretty cool. Some guys picking up some rare ones. If we look up here, we got some listings at, you know, higher than, this one's actually pretty cheap. 0.04, 0.08, 0.04, 0.04. Oh, they're getting cheap. 0.01. Oh, 0.1 actually. I got in at about 0.075, 0.08, give or take. These are actually cheap. This one's cheap. If we take a look on OpenSea, you can literally buy this one for, this one's pretty cheap. I don't know if I should buy this one or not. I mean, it's got an offer for 0.08 and it's for sale for 0.04. I'm gonna buy this thing. Ah, it's already gone. It's gone. That's crazy. Why would somebody list this thing for 0.04 when somebody had an offer on it for 0.085? Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's why I like Trade Sniper, guys. We've seen a couple of cheap ones here. 0.1. Listing 0.0, 0.3. Yeah, these things are going, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys are getting into Moonturtles. I might pick up a couple more. You know, I just picked up 3. Let's see which ones I got here. I got these 3 right here. Okay, we're sitting on some NFT, guys. You got to start unloading these things at a profit. Let me know if you like these videos. Comment down below. Looking pretty cool here. Moonturtles. Let me know what you're doing. Like, share, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn how to flip NFTs and make some big money with NFTs, these are just some of the small Deegan projects that I'm in. But you know, we got other projects that we make a lot more ETH on. So check it out, cryptowaters.com. Check out my site, sign up. Click down below if you're new to NFTs, you want to learn how to make money with NFTs, just go here, sign up to the free, absolutely free newsletter. I will have a paid alpha group soon where you guys can get some alpha info. But yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. I'm picking up some Moonturtles. If you are, let me know. If you guys are flipping some, let me know. I still got some Goblin. I got my Goblin Town. I got a free Goblin Burger that I didn't mint yet. Pretty fun times. Talk to you soon. Have a good evening. Let me know what you're doing. Peace.